Hello everyone, welcome back to WebDropTech. Today we will be making a distance measuring tool using ultrasonic sensor and Arduino. This tool shows distance in both meter centimeter and foot inch. For this project we will need an Arduino, an ultrasonic sensor, a 16x2 LCD, a breadboard, and a few jumper wires. So let's make the circuit now. The circuit diagram and the code will be provided in the description box below. Okay, so the circuit is ready now. Let's look at the Arduino code. Okay, so here as you can see, I have done distance equals to duration into 0.034 by 2. So what happens in case of ultrasonic sensor is that it sends a sound wave, ultrasonic sound wave, and it triggers the trigger pin, and when that ultrasonic sound wave bounces back off an object and gets back to the ultrasonic sensor, the echo pin is triggered. So we get a duration gap between the trigger pin and the echo pin. So what we do is that we multiply duration by 0.034, which is actually, we know that 340 meter per second is the speed of sound in air. So this is 0.034 is speed of sound as in centimeter per second. So we do duration into 0.034 and we divided it by 2 because the sound wave goes and then comes back. So we have to divide by 2 to get the one-way distance between them. And then it's pretty simple stuff. We have done meter equals to this thing comes as centimeter, so meter equals to distance by 100, and then I have done basic stuff like inch equals to distance into something, that thing. So in this code we have included liquid crystal _i2c.h. This is the liquid crystal i2c library. This is needed for serial communication with the 16x2 LCD. So we have in the setup portion we have initialized lcd.init. This is to initialize the LCD, then lcd.backlight. This is to turn the backlight on, and then to print something using the LCD we have at first done lcd.clear. This is to clear the content of the LCD. And then we have done lcd.setCursor 0,0. This is to set the cursor at the first row and the first column. Then we have printed meter, just simple stuff after that. Okay, so now let's upload the code. Okay, the code has been uploaded. Now let's see how our project has come out to be. As you can see, we are comparing the distance values with a ruler. And the values are coming out to be pretty accurate. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you liked it, and feel free to comment if you have any suggestions. Thank you and stay safe.